The protective features in the Sun and Earth. Allah created the Earth in such a way that it would be protected against the destructive effects of such a giant source of energy as the Sun. Research in recent years has revealed that the Sun beats like a heart. Scientists have detected millions of different sounds emitted from the Sun during these beats. Imagine that, like the Sun, the other 200 billion stars in the Milky Way also emit similar sounds, and what would become of us when we heard them? Yet, our ears hear not a single note emitted by this giant sound source. This is because at 1 to 3 megahertz, the vibration frequencies of the sounds emitted are far below the lower limit of our hearing, which is 20 hertz. It is impossible for us to hear them. Even if they were within our range of hearing, since there is no air or gas layer in the voids of space, those sounds could not reach our Earth. If we were to multiply a sound leaving the Sun by 20,000 or 40,000 times, the resulting sound would still be less than a whisper. Isn't that interesting? There is a concert being played out for us in a gigantic arena many times larger than our Earth, and with giant loudspeakers, but thanks to Allah's sublime creation, we are totally unaware of it. The Earth is constantly being exposed to a bombardment of high-energy particles from the Sun. But our Earth has two protective features against this. Were it not for these protective features, the high-energy particles and radiation reaching it from the Sun would represent a deadly threat to life. The first protective feature on Earth is the atmosphere that prevents X and ultraviolet radiation descending as far as sea level. The high-energy particles arriving from the Sun cool down as they collide with molecules in the atmosphere. When these potentially deadly particles reach the lower levels of the atmosphere, they are emitted at long wavelengths that are not dangerous to living things. The second protective feature is the magnetic field surrounding the Earth. Due to its magnetic field, the Earth protects living things from highly charged particles arriving from the Sun in the form of a wind. This magnetic shield continues even to protect against the major explosions on the Sun's surface. When changes take place in the Earth's magnetic shield, a greenish light in the sky can be seen in the atmosphere at night, especially in polar regions. This dance-like motion is the result of fast-moving electrons from space colliding with molecules in the atmosphere. These lights are known as the aurora borealis at the North Pole and the aurora australis at the South Pole. With this impressive display of light, Allah is showing us how He neutralizes potentially harmful rays.